Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Look what I have harvested from my garden today. I also help my mom cook dinner for tonight. Alright, look what I harvest today. We have 4 guk and calamondin, 2 lemon here, and some okra. One right here, pretty big. Look at this, pretty big lemon. Got 2 on this pot right here. This is biggest lemon I ever seen in it. Walking around my garden right now. This is how my okra look right now. I just harvest a couple, and the bitter lemon right here. This is all passion fruit vine, no fruit yet. Jujube, and I got one that bitter lemon is too ripe right there. That's a bitter lemon vine. And over here we have moop that we just cut 3 of these to cook for dinner tonight. This is cherry, another cherry plant right here, lemongrass, and I have a calamondin right here, starting to get ripe. Really healthy pandan plant right here, leaf. I have a bon choy rau muống right here. This is mango. My rain barrel right here. Got more mướp hương right here.
Cây chanh số 8 nó có trái này nè.
More papaya and mướp. Thai basil. And this is curry plant. And the finger lemon right here. A lot of fruits. Wow, I see a big one over here. Wow, this is the biggest one I ever seen on this plant. So when you eat it, it's like eggs inside. It's really cool. We have cây trứng cá. I love this childhood fruit. Oh, we have another sugar apple. Trái na đây nữa bà ngoại. Oh my goodness, nice. And got more lemon on this side. I just cut 2 on this one earlier, so that allow all this small one to get big. And this is 8 chanh số 8 8 leaf lemon. Oh no, cái này rớt ra, vừa đụng nó rớt ra. Look at that. Lemon. So this usually you consume the leaf to bake chicken and stuff. And look at this hibiscus plant doing so well at this time for tea. And another calamondin plant right here. So this is gonna be a lot of fruit for us to make lemonade. This one gonna be we're gonna harvest later for tea. A lot of it. We have a bunch more pandan leaf here. in the pot. And I gotta clean my patio area because winter is coming close. And over here I'll show, this is one of our favorite plants. Oh, look at this grasshopper. It's the first time I see a big grasshopper in my yard. But we have Guk right here. Guk doing really good in this year. Couple other year we not doing great with it, but this year Guk vine is doing really well. My dragon fruit is not doing well because the grass jelly plant is taking over. So I gotta harvest these and make some grass jelly. Is really healthy. Some more Ramon poncho right here. Have more hibiscus right here. Doing real well at this time. And we have Moop right here too. And bông tơi doing really well. Bông tơi doing really well. Not sure what else we can cook bông tơi. Look right here, so healthy. And right here we have with tangerine, I think, doing real well. Have a lot of aloe vera. Moving back here, we have more Guk vine back here. Two more right here. In total, we got a couple, like a handful of Guk spoil, but we were able to harvest probably 8 so far, but we still have a lot. So we're doing really good with that this year, so I'm really happy to see that. We have the cherry plant right here. That's it for the garden tour, guys, for today. Very happy to have another sugar apple here. Oh, we got a ladybug right here. That one is dying. Mango. Alright guys, later. Cannot beat fresh vegetable from the garden. Now I'm helping my mom cleaning the Vidagor, removing all the seeds inside, and then we're gonna slice it up and stir fry it. Moving on, I'm gonna help my mom stir fry the Vidagor and she'll handle the seasoning. She's gonna add a teaspoon of Chinsu fish sauce. Now Now she's adding some sugar.
Đấy, nhiều người người ta cứ người ta quay ăn sơ sơ đấy, nhưng mà mình ăn
We have add some thin sliced beef into the mix. We got one bowl, filling up another bowl. Next up, I'm gonna stir fry the moop and carrot. She's adding a spoon of sugar. Adding some water here. Final moment, just gonna mix it well and then it's ready to serve. Final taste test, and look like we need more sugar. Now we're done. Now I'm gonna transfer it over to a bowl. It smells and looks so good. I'm not sure if you call this saute or stir fry, let me know. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Please hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and drop me a comment. Bye bye now.